Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can remove pin from Windows 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so first we need to go in settings. Just come to the search bar and type for settings. So just settings, open your settings. Now go to the systems. Under the systems, go to the accounts. Under the account you can see that sign in options. Just click on it, and here you can see the option called pin. So you need to just click on it, and here if you set pin for your window app, then you can see that remove option here. Then just remove it. Okay, you need to enter your desktop password to apply that change. Okay, and if you want to set this pin, you need to first set your password for your window, then you can set the new pin for your apps and services in this windows. Okay, in sign in options. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.